One of the biggest pros of selling on Etsy is the growing number of customers that shop on the platform. If you are looking to open a new Etsy shop, this video will give you 40 free listings to help you start your Etsy journey. Click on the link below this video to get your 40 free listings on Etsy. Make sure you open the shop directly from the link. After clicking the link, you can follow the steps to sign up and open your shop. Your 40 free listings should show up at the top right-hand corner of your listing page like this. Good news is that the free listings don't expire, so you can take your time when setting up the shop, and you don't have to use all of them at once. It's important to keep in mind that building a successful Etsy shop takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, contrary to what some Etsy gurus may claim. To increase your chances of success on Etsy, you'll need to put in the time and effort to learn different aspects of running an Etsy business. Building and maintaining your own website to sell products require a lot of effort and knowledge. On Etsy, you have access to a large customer base and necessary tools to quickly set up and start selling your products. Choosing what to sell is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an Etsy seller. Finding a balance between good demand, low competition, and your own skill set and interest is crucial. Good luck!